I have written something and is it okay? Hi everyone. So hope you all are doing well and you are consistent with your English speaking and learning. Now tell me one thing. Do you still think that speaking is all about that grammar books knowledge or it is all about grammar? If you still think so like that, I'm not going to repeat the same thing 1,000 or the 100 times. Please go and watch the last video. Okay. Now you still all are here, so it's important for me to inform you all. Well, let's go with the main thing and understand that what is actually the thing for the grammar. So, the main thing is you actually need grammar for English speaking. But one thing, not those scary books, not those haunted lessons, not those scary learnings. You just need some basic grammar for English speaking. Now I'm going to just completely coming directly to the topic that what basic grammar do you need? Do you need to understand what is past participle? No. Do you need to understand about the complex structures? No. And do you need to learn all the 12 tenses? Not at all. So let's come to the main point because I know nobody likes long explanations. So without wasting time, and also this time I had made the work very much easy for you. It's going to be very much easier because let me show you, I have written by myself just 3 pages and these are the 3 topics that can really help with you for your grammar. This much grammar is only needed for English speaking. If you get this, then you don't need to go anywhere. This much is exactly needed. Don't get pressurized with anything else or anyone else. This is exactly that you need. If you know this much, if you are practicing your English speaking, you can definitely get the speaking. Okay. So let's come to the main point. So it is actually divided into 3 parts. Okay. So the first part that is going to be the basic sentence structure. How you need to make basic sentences. Let me show you. And yeah, please take this screenshot so that you can revise it and it could be easy for you to note it down somewhere or you can get it also. Okay. So please see that. I think it's visible. Okay. So till 7 it is there. And now from 7 to 10 also you can take. Okay. So these are only 10 basic sentence structure. You can read it. When you will see in that there is a word like verb. Okay. So what is verb if I talk about? It is very generally, we all know. But for the basic thing, just check it. Verb means like in Hindi we say that kriya, okay? Like verb is whatever action, that a word that shows you some action, like if I say play, swim or anything, any word that is showing you a movement or an action, that will be declared as verb, okay? Now let's come to the second one, okay? That is going to be what? That is about the basic tense that you need, okay? Don't go with that I just said that, don't need to do all the 12 tenses. No, it's not like that. It is a very basic ones, okay? And anything you are not getting in that, you can comment me and I can personally reply to you, or you can tell in any other way if I can help to you, and help each other also in the comments if possible, okay? So you can see this one is basic tenses that you need for speaking. Okay, so only this much tenses you need for speaking. Don't go with any grammar books or something else. It is just very basic things you need. Please, I always say you, please don't restrict your speaking because of the grammar. Grammar is important, but that is not the priority. Priority is English speaking. Think of the time when you born. Your parents has just said and you learned Hindi. It's not like they were coming with the grammar books or something like that. First you learn the grammar and then you learn how to speak Hindi. No. So this is also a language. It's the same way. Okay. So just do it in that way only. Let's come to the third one. That is like common question patterns in English speaking. Okay, what are the common questions that we used to ask in English speaking when you are talking to somebody? How are you? What are you doing? Where are you from? Where are you going? What is your favorite hobby? Something like that only. Okay, so let me show you. You can see this one. Okay. And then these. So only this much. No more than else. Okay. So only this much is needed for your English speaking. No more else grammar is needed. No more grammar books is needed. And also if you have any doubts related to the grammar or speaking, we can discuss it in the comments. You can comment it and we can see. And also practice it. Okay. It's not like you are having and you can get the things. You need to practice it. At least try to speak 15 to 20 minutes daily. Listen to any podcast. Do any activity related to the speaking. Okay. That will seriously going to help you. Okay. Sometimes it is like that we are so much busy in our jobs and we can't do anything. So what you can do, you can just listen for 5 minutes, like even while you are traveling, while you're going from your home or somewhere, listen to English song, English movies. You have to be in that environment, then only you can learn. Okay. So that is just that much is for today, and I hope you all love this video. Well, please try to like the video. Well, this is for free, so you should. Okay, thank you for your support. Bye bye and take care.